Good morning all. In the last video we learned about how to create a document and how to insert a text and how to create a text as attractive and so on. Okay, so in this video we will learn about how to create a new document and how to copy the text and how to move a text and how to do undo and how to do redo and how to formatting a new word document and etc. So and also we are going to learn about the shortcuts of these topics. Okay, so let's learn practically. So let's see, today's topic is how to create a text or how to save a file and so on. Okay, just open the Word document. If you have your application on the desktop, means you just click straight. So if you're not having your Word file on the document sense, you can go to the start button and you just click on Microsoft. Okay, just simply search. Okay, it will come automatically. Okay, I have already opened. It will appear. So now how to create a new document sense, you just go to the new blank document. Okay, everything it is depend on your version. Okay, I am having Word 2016, so just click a new blank document. So now you are created a new document. Okay, how I created? First I have I went start button and search the Microsoft Word, then it will appear, and after I just click a new document. Okay, now now I have created a one new document. So next, how to save your document. If you having uh, you just click a control plus yes, means it is saved. It is a shortcut for creating a new document. Okay, and then just I want to save my document on any hard disk or anything. Okay, so now I just open the browser button, then I selected I select my D colon. Okay, so here I want to save my document as intro. I'm just giving intro. The name is about your wish only. You have you will give your name, or you just give your name or school name or anything. It is upon your about your wishes only. So I have given here as intro. Okay, next just save. Okay, now you have created your file and your saved your file as intro. Okay, if you don't know the shortcut, means you just go to save as, click the save as button, and the same thing you have to do. Okay, so the both are same only. Okay, come back. Next, there is no any other file. Okay, so if you want to open your existing file, just go to the file menu and then just click open, and just click a browser button, then just click a seventh. Here I have saved my all files, so just click 7th, sorry, 9th. Okay, here I am having all 9th, so here my file is here. So I just click these files, then open. I click open. So here you can see your existing file. Okay, that's all. Okay children, so now we learned how to open exist file. But if you want to open the recent files, means you just click this button and see here it will appear the recent files in your document. Okay, it's a see the first one, the 5 minutes ago only I have opened this file. So this is the history of our Word documents. Okay, so next come back. Then now how to close your document. So if you want to close your document, just click the close button and then it will be closed. Okay, so likewise you have to close your document. So again I open my Word document. See here I have see here my recent file. So just click. It is easy to open only. So open. Or the another option to close your files means just click this option and click the close button. If you click the close button, since your document will be closed. Okay, next one is editing a Word document. Okay, how to edit your document. I have a Word document. Okay, so here I have a content of my Word document. To edit the text, we first need to select it. Okay, if you want to edit your text, before that you have to select that. Likewise you have to select with the help of mouse. You can select your text. Okay, then what you will do, this is a shortcut to select a word. You just click it. Okay, to easily select your document. Okay, so first one is you just see here, you just double click that. If you double click, it is selected the full sentence. Okay, if you want to select a full paragraph, means you just triple click anywhere on the paragraph. Okay, full sentence or full paragraph, you have to click a triple click. Okay, 3 times you have to click 3 times on anywhere on the Word document. Okay, so next one is if you want to select your entire document, means what you do, Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A is used to select your entire document. Okay, so see, Ctrl plus A. Here I have selected my entire document. Okay children, next one is insert text. Okay, how to insert a text. For example, suppose if you want to insert the text between the already typed text, means what you do, you just click the cursor in between the text. So it will be easy to insert the text in between the already you have typed text. So here I have clicked my cursor, then unit and. So see here I have easily insert my text here. Okay, next how to delete the text. How to delete the text? To delete a block of text, or select the text and press the delete key. Okay, so if you want to delete a block of text, means you just select the text and press the double key. Okay, so see here I have selected the entire line. So now just click the delete button or just click the back button. Okay, see I have deleted. So next, how to if you are deleted your text without your knowledge, means, but you want that deleted text, what do you do? You take undo. Okay, you just click undo. How to click undo? First click control plus Z, means it is a undo. See here I have retrieved my deleted text. So likewise you have to undo your text. Next, copying text. How to copy your text? Copying a text and copy your document is a very useful feature of Word. Okay, for example, I want this the entire line, but without deleting or anything. So how you copy? Just select the entire line. Okay, so next, see here there is an option to copy. Just click, it is copied now. So I want paste the line first. Again I select the entire line and just click copy. Then I just want to paste here. Okay, so I'm just click a paste button. So see here I have pasted my copied text. So what is the shortcut for copy? Likewise you just select the entire line and then click Control plus C. Now it is copied. Then go to this file and then click Control plus V. So see here I have paste with the help of shortcut keys. Okay, so what is the moving text? Moving text is otherwise called deleting. Delete the text into your document. So likewise you have to select the entire line and just click Control plus X. So see now the text has removed. Okay, so what is the keyword? What is the shortcut to undo? Control plus Z is a shortcut to undo. See I have moved my text and also retrieve my text in my document. See, so next one is a find text or replace text. Okay, so see here there is an option to find a text. So just click it and then type the text which type you want to find. So I just select KE. See here the and search K. There is no key in this document, so it not will come. So I just type KE. See here these are all the result of I have searched. So to take a backup of your hard disk, and we should use the external hard disk. Okay, so here is the result to find. So next replace. How to replace your document or how to replace your text? It says I want to replace the key which is 4.7 GB. So I want to replace the text into 4.8. So find which one you want to find. So I just type 4.7 GB. Next, in that place what type of text you want to insert? I want to replace 4.8 GB. So see here I have find out that. So find next. So GB is here. So likewise you have to do. Okay.